How long does it take to activate a Vodacom SIM card after purchase?
Hello there. Have you recently purchased a Vodacom SIM card and you're wondering how long it takes to activate it? If that's the case, then you're at the right place. This video will guide you through the activation process and give you an idea of how long you should expect to wait.
What does SIM card activation involve?
SIM card activation involves registering your SIM card with your network provider. In this case, we're looking at Vodacom. Once your SIM card is activated, you can start using it for calling, texting, and accessing the internet.
How do I activate my Vodacom SIM card?
To activate your Vodacom SIM card, follow the instructions provided with your SIM pack. Typically, this involves inserting the SIM into your phone, switching it on, and making a call or sending an SMS. For RICA-registered SIMs, activation should be automatic upon first use.
How long does activation take?
Now for the big question. How long does it take? Once you've followed the steps to activate your SIM card, the process typically takes between 24 to 48 hours. Please note that the time frame may vary depending on various factors, including network congestion or whether the SIM is properly RICA registered.
What if my SIM doesn't activate?
In some cases, your SIM card may not activate within the expected time frame. If this happens, we recommend contacting Vodacom's customer service directly. They'll be able to assist you and solve any issues you might be facing. That's all there is to it. Remember, activating your Vodacom SIM card usually takes between 24 to 48 hours. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Vodacom's customer service. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful in activating your new Vodacom SIM card. Enjoy your new connection.